Here's my girl with the rasping breath. Oh boy, I don't know yet. Everything else, I don't notice anything else wrong. It is first thing in the morning, and there is something. Crap. She's let out for a little while. Doesn't have a lot in her crop, but it is a little bit soft, so she might have just had some water. I can try to see if I've got sauerkraut. I can try to palpate and see if I get anything out of there. But really it's the breathing that seems to be happening with the breathing. She's doing a little bit of shaking, but not so much that, well, she's doing a little bit of shaking. I can feel.